Hi there, let me show you how to protect the battery on the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Let's get started, but don't forget to follow to see more useful content. So firstly, we're gonna open settings where we need to find battery tab. Click it and now scroll till you see battery protection section. Click on the switcher to enable this function. And if you click on it one more time, you will see three modes right here. So the basic is when the charging will stop at 95%. Adaptive is when the charging will adapt to your sleep schedule. And the maximum is when the charging stops at 80%. So, to balance between protection and comfortability, I'm gonna suggest you to use adaptive mode. So, that's all. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you so much for watching.